Hi, this is Ashok. Welcome back to my channel. Now we will see how we will import an existing Maven project into Eclipse. Here you see there are two projects, test projects and test web projects. These both are Maven projects which are created. We can see in previous videos how we created these two projects. So open Eclipse. Here already we have created test project. Now we want to import test web app inside Eclipse. Go to Eclipse. Here you can do right click and import, and here you can do import. So if it is an existing Maven project, go to Maven and select existing Maven projects. Go to next and browse where the project exactly is there. So my project is in desktop and Maven project. So this is the project web app we need to import to Eclipse. So select and select the folder where the POM file contains and click OK. So it will show the POM file of the projects and enter finish. Here you can see the processing. Yeah, it successfully imported the Maven web app project. So this is the Maven web app project we created without using Eclipse. Group ID, artifact ID and version ID. So this is how we will import any existing projects